Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. So first of all, I would like to wish you all a very happy new year. I am very excited to announce that in the beginning of this year, I'll be dropping off my first data structure series, and the name of the series is Linked List for Interviews. So basically this series is about linked list data structure, where you are going to learn about this data structure and how to tackle and solve problems based on linked lists. So it is a very important data structure when it comes to the technical interviews, and this topic is very often asked. So make sure you stick around and watch each and every video till the end. You are not going to regret it. Okay, so now in this video we are quickly going to learn the basics of linked list data structures. It is a very interesting data structure. So linked list is a linear data structure which is formed from nodes, where each node comprises of two things. The first thing is the data stored in that node, and the other thing is the next pointer, which points to the address of the next node. And like this, when multiple nodes are connected together, it takes a linear form, and hence it is named as linked list. Also, the first node of the linked list is named as the head node. So whenever we need to traverse through a particular linked list, we use the address of the first node, of also known as the head node. Okay, the linked list data structure has various advantages over the array data structure, which is also a linear data structure. But the difference between a linked list and an array is that array has a fixed size, and we cannot change its size after initialization. But linked list, we can modify the size of a linked list anytime, and hence it is very flexible data structure, and it has various applications in real life also, which we are going to see in a while. Okay, so this is the basic structure of a traditional linked list. Now coming to the types of linked list, there are basically four types of linked lists. So the first type is the singly linked list, which we just saw. So this is the traditional linked list where each node is connected to the next node, and the last node points to the null. Okay, and the second type is the doubly linked list. Now this linked list is also known as bidirectional linked list, because in this linked list each node comprises of two pointers, whereas in singly linked list we only have one pointer in each node. In doubly linked list, the first pointer is the next pointer, which points to the address of the next node, and the second pointer is the previous pointer, which points to the address of the previous node. Okay, so this was about doubly linked list. The third type is the circular linked list. Now the key difference between the singly linked list and the circular linked list is that in circular linked list the next pointer of the last node points back to the head of that linked list, and because of this it takes a circular structure, and hence it is named as circular linked list. Okay, now the fourth type is called the circular doubly linked list, which is basically a hybrid form of linked list. Okay, so it is the hybrid form which comprises of both circular and doubly linked list. So these were the four types of linked lists. Now coming to the applications of linked list data structure, it has numerous applications, and some major applications that I have written here are: so firstly, linked list data structure is used in the implementation of stack and queues. These two are also important data structures, and we use linked list to implement them. The second application is that is the previous and next page functionality in the web browsers. This functionality is also an application of linked list only. And the third, coming to the third application, so linked lists are also used to implement the undo and redo functionality in the text editors, which we use in our day-to-day lives. For example, my MS Word. Okay, and uh, the fourth application of linked list is it is also used in music players. So for each particular song, that song is having a known next song and a known previous song. So this is basically an application of doubly linked list, which we just discussed before. So these are some of the applications of the linked list data structure. Now in the upcoming videos we are going to solve various standard problems of linked list which are very often asked in the technical interviews, and you are going to learn how to tackle these problems. Make sure you stick around and watch the entire series till the end. I promise not a single minute of yours will be wasted. This was it for this video. Like this video and also subscribe the channel if you are new. I guarantee that I'll be dropping off a lot of promising content and you are going to learn a lot from this channel. So thank you and have a nice day.